This blueberry lemon loaf is completely egg-free, dairy-free, and nut-free, but still soft, moist, and bakery style. Recipes like this are some of my favorites to make for my daughter. We're going to start by rubbing lemon zest into the sugar. We have 3/4 cup of sugar, and we need about 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, which is roughly 2 lemons, depending on their size. And we're going to rub that in, which really brings out that bright bakery-style lemon flavor. Next, we'll add the dry ingredients into the sugar, and we will whisk those together so everything is evenly combined. Into another bowl, we're going to add some oat milk, oil, vanilla, and some lemon juice, and whisk that until it's smooth. Then we're going to bring the batter together. It should be slightly thick, which helps give the loaf a really soft texture. We're going to toss the blueberries in a tablespoon of flour so that they stay evenly distributed throughout the loaf. Now we're going to gently fold the blueberries in so that we're not crushing the berries as we mix, just kind of lift and fold over the top until they're mixed in. Now we're going to make a cinnamon streusel that will go on top that gives it a classic bakery style finish. Just sprinkle it over the top of the filled loaf pan, and then I like to use my spoon and kind of press it into the batter so that it sticks a little bit better and doesn't fall off into the oven as the loaf rises. Once the loaf has baked and cooled, we're going to make a simple lemon glaze out of some powdered sugar, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Whisk that together, and then we're going to drizzle that over the top of the loaf. Soft, bright, and completely allergy-friendly. You can find the full recipe over at whitemaplelane.com, and if you enjoy allergy-friendly baking recipes like this one, I'd love to have you subscribe for more.